Hey everyone, it's Yoselin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make body glitter. I made this body glitter for a school event and I thought I'd show you guys how to make it since it is really easy to make and I couldn't find it at Target or Ulta. So if you ever need body glitter for like an event or Halloween or something like that, you'll know how to make it. So I put mine in this container and I'm going to be going more in depth on how to make this when I turn the camera. But I thought I'd show you guys how it looks. It's kind of like really shiny because I just put it on. But this is how it looks. The ones on my shoulders I just put on right now. But this one I wore to school, stayed on for 6 hours or more because I put it on in the morning and it's like 6 hours later. So it did stay on. This is really easy to make and it's a lot of fun and I really like how it turned out. So if you want to know how to make it, then just keep on watching. What you're going to need to make this body glitter is a container to put it in. I just have this small container. You're going to need glitter. So the first one I have is this one. It's like bigger pieces of glitter and they're all silver. This was like $1.99, I'm pretty sure. And I got it at Joann's craft store. And then I got this pack of glitter and sand. This was $6.99 just because it's not all glitter. Like these ones are sand. I'm not going to be using the sand though because I don't need those. I bought it for the top glitter because it has gold and white stars. So that's what I'm using from this one. And then you're also going to need gel. I have this gel from Labella. It's blue, but when you put it on, it's not going to be blue. You can use any type of gel though. That's just the one I'm using. And then I'm also using scissors to cut the packaging open and a spoon to scoop the gel out. First thing I'm going to do is get some gel into the container. So I got a spoon just to make this easier. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to try not making a mess. I'm not going to fill it up all the way because I want to have enough space so I can stir this around. I filled it halfway and it looks like that. And then I'm going to get the glitter that I bought. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to pour some of this in here. I might take out a little bit of gel. So it's like 1/4. Then I'm going to put some glitter in. I'm going to put the cap on because I don't want to accidentally spill this. And then I'm going to stir it with the opposite end. And you could just do that, but I wanted to add more glitter, so that's why I bought this one as well. So I'm going to cut this open so I can add this in. Cut this open. I don't really know how much to add in. It just depends on how much glitter you want. You could also put this in your hair because it is gel, so you could put this in a hairstyle if you wanted to. But that's kind of what it looks like. As you guys can see on the spoon, that's what it's going to look like when you put it on. I'll swatch it and see if I need to add more glitter. But it looks like that. Blend it, it'll look like that. I think that's good, honestly. This is how it looks, and then I'll come back to you guys when it's dry so I can show you guys how it is when it's dry. While I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm adding a little bit more glitter just because I'm bored while I wait. So I'm just going to add a little bit more. I'm still waiting for it to dry. Half of it's dry, but I thought it'd be a fun idea to add like actual body shimmer from this perfume. So I'm gonna do a couple sprays of this just so there's little pieces of body shimmer. This part's optional, you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna do it just for fun. And it will also make the hair gel smell good. I'll swatch this part too. This one has little pieces of glitter. Very small, you'd probably see them better if it hit the light. The body shimmer is now dry and the gel makes the glitter like stay in place. I'm putting these on my shoulders so it wouldn't be on my hand because if I washed my hand they would fall off. But since it's on my shoulders, it should be fine. And I added the body shimmer as I showed you guys earlier since it was in that one perfume. And I recommend doing that if you have perfume body shimmer because it made this smell really good. And it added a little bit of shimmer. If you have perfume body shimmer, I recommend adding that in, but if you don't really need it. You know, it's just a little extra thing. But that is how you make body shimmer, and this is the finished product. So that was how you make this body glitter. It just looks like this. I recommend adding perfume in it if you want it to smell good because I added the perfume in just for like the little shimmer. but it actually made it smell really good. So I recommend adding perfume if you want this to have a scent, because the gel I use doesn't really have a scent to it. That's more of an extra to this, but yeah, it makes it a little bit better. This is the body glitter. I really like how it turned out, and like I said many times, it was really easy to make. It only took me like 5 minutes to make it. If you guys tried this out, tell me how it turned out. But that was it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!